Top of the fourth inning, beautiful day in Shrewsbury for baseball. Pioneer Field in Shrewsbury, Massachusetts, alongside Colin Barkin. I'm David Marr. We're happy to have you on Pioneer TV or on Be Big Live, whichever way you're streaming today's game. This battle of powerhouses at D1 and D2 respectively. The number 2 in MIAA power rankings, St. John's, coming in at number 2 in D1, taking on number 7 in D2, Algonquin. They lead 3-0 as we enter the top of the fourth, and the first pitch to Ethan Chan is low for ball one. As Jack Forgs back on the mound, he's been perfect so far. Outside of one base hit allowed, that was back in the top of the third on a single by Jake O'Connell. That's been the lone base runner so far for the Titans. And this one is grounded towards second. Terlato plays it on a roll, throws to first, and he got him. And there's quickly one out. We'll say something about Forgs. When he needs to get an out, he gets it quickly. No time wasted. Those quick little ground balls. His infield has been perfect as Nick Klein digs in. This is the heart of the order for the Titans. This one is laced out to center. This one's hit pretty well. Back towards the wall, and it's going to roll towards the wall. Klein digging for second. He will be in there with a stand-up double. That's a big double for the Titans here in the fourth. They've got a man at scoring position with one out. Andrew Schmidt came in a little bit to start that hit, and the ball just kept carrying behind him. Had to chase all the way to the H in the St. John's Pioneers logo on the wall in center field to make the play. But it did not stop Klein from taking second. The first pitch is a chopper from Ellsworth towards third. Shari throws, and it's in time. Nick Shari is having an excellent defensive game for the Pioneers. He's made an out in almost every inning. Now Cam Citro trying to drive in the game's first run for the Titans. Would also be their first run scored against St. John's this season. They lost 8-0 back in mid-April to these Pioneers. First pitch from Forks. Hit in the air towards left field. Well hit back towards the wall, and able to make the play is Schmidt, and that will retire the side. So despite a one-out double, Forgs gets out of the inning unscathed again. We're halfway through this one with St. John's still on top of Algonquin, 3-0.